Vivek here. I am a student of Spidervilla Technologies and I am learning Hackersvilla program. So our today's topic is about PUBG hacking, or we can say how people and hackers bypass the security of PUBG to cheat the games. Before knowing about hacking, we have to understand how PUBG is working. So basically, PUBG is working in a way that where all the players are connected through the PUBG server with their devices. And when connection is done with the PUBG server, players can play the game. While playing the game, players used to do multiple movements. Movements like running, crouching, firing, and many more movements players used to do in the game. These all movements are handled by handler. Handler, what is handler? Handler is nothing, it is just a piece of code which helps to handle all the things in the game. And while playing the game, sometimes players meet some bots. Bots. What are bots? Bots are also a piece of code, but with some AI. AI means artificial intelligence. What is artificial intelligence? According to the definition of artificial intelligence, it is the intelligence of a machine. And intelligence of a machine is in the sense where machine can behave and react like humans in different situations. And if we talk about game, and if we talk about game, in the game, bots are the computerized players, or we can say that computer generated players. These bots can behave like real players. These bots can shoot, can run, can hide, can prone. Means these bots can do movements like real players, or we can say that these can behave like real players. And wherever the AI is there, and wherever if AI is available, so definitely bot will be there. Let's take an example of Google. If we talk about Google, Google is having a huge support of AI, so definitely bots will be there. But in Google, how bots are working? For Google, bots are working in a way to handle the multiple requests at same times. Means lot of users in the world are using Google at same time, so these all requests are handled by the bots. So let's come back to the game. Basically, we discuss all the important thing in the game, and the rest part is about animations, designing, VFX, like that. So till here we talk about the important and basics things in the game. Now we comes to the hacking part. So in this, we will see how hackers hacks the game by using scripts, plugins, and third-party tools. Hacking is not always mean stealing information. Sometimes it also means giving wrong information. And here we are doing the same. We provide wrong information to the server. So let's take an example of aimbot. Aimbot helps the player to shoot the enemies. Aimbot helps to set the cursor automatically towards the enemy's head part or chest part. It's depend upon the scripts what we set in the script. If we set head part in the script, cursor will automatically move towards the head. If we set chest part in the script, cursor will automatically move towards the chest part, and it helps to shoot the enemies. So this is aimbot in PUBG. Now we will discuss about wallhacks. In wallhacks, basically hackers changes the value. Suppose you and your enemy are firing towards each other, and there is a wall present between you and your enemy, so you guys cannot hit each other directly, but hackers can. Now questions comes how hackers changes the value by using some scripts, and changing the value as in the result of graphically wall is present but programmatically wall is not there, so hackers are able to hit the enemies through the wall. And at the server end, everything is in the form of program, no virtualization is there. So this is wallhack in PUBG. So this is PUBG hacking. We cannot cover all the hacks in short video. So if you guys want a complete brief discussion about all the hacks, do comments in comment box and we will make a new video. Now comes to the script. There are lot of scripting languages are available in the market. Some famous languages are Ruby, Perl, Lua, etc. If you guys want to write your own scripts and don't want pay to other hackers to write the scripts, so join our program, that is Hackers Villa. If you guys want to be a full-time developer, coder, bug bounty hunter or hacker, this program is best for you, because in this program you will learn all the technologies, all the latest technologies are available in the market. So join me, join us, join Spider Villa.